Good morning, students. I hope you all are fine. In last session, we have started Unit 4 and we have covered till topic key difference between customer and consumer. Today we are going to start with session 2nd and the topic of Unit 4 session 2nd is types of customer. Generally what happens, customer could be of different type because customer is the blood of company. Customer play the most significant part in the business. In fact, customer is the actual boss and most significant person in a business deal, and it is responsible for actually profit for organization. Till the time customer will not buy the product, a company can't survive in the market, a company can't earn any type of profit. It is the customer or consumer who uses the product and services and also judge the quality and availability of products and services. And customers are the most important part as they use the product and services and judge the quality of product. It is the important for an organization to retain such customer and also make new customer and to flourish business. It requires to plan sincerely, to design the proper strategy and to manage the business and to manage the customer. Company provide some leading policies also. The company should follow some sort of approaches like regimentation and division of customer into small groups, because each customer has to be considered valuable customer and a profitable customer. But you should always remember the needs and wants of various type of customer. So we are going to start with types of customer in today's session. Customer could be of 5 types, and types are here as per shown in diagram: ready to buy customer, potential customer, repeat customer, or that are also called loyal customer, and fourth is sales and discount customer, and fifth one is impulse buying customers. Now we are going to start with first type of customer, that is ready to buy product or need based customer. As the term suggests, need based customer, such type of customer are often driven by specific need and have a sense of urgency. Ready to buy customers are also called the urgent customer, and they generally demand for the same product from your company because they are also called satisfied customer. They at least have an idea, they know about your product regarding the needs based on their prior knowledge. They know about the quality of product, they know the feature of product, and always they need something to purchase. As the customer is in need, the salesman and service provider has to find out what the specific requirement and how to meet. Once you are able to understand the client requirement or need, he will become your customer. It means if a salesman will do effort one time and he will match the requirement of customer, he will fulfill the requirement of customer, ultimately he will become the permanent customer for your business. And if you can fulfill his needs satisfactorily, only he could become a valuable repeat customer, and he will continuously repeat the same product. He will again and again buy the product from your store only. Therefore, a salesman handles the situation in the best way possible in order to gain customer confidence and try to become your repeat customer. It means it is urgent customer. He know about the feature of product. Only the responsibility of salesman is to satisfy the need of such type of customer. After fulfilling the requirement of customer, he will become your loyal customer. He will become your repeat customer also. And definitely it is also called a long time business running customer that will always give profit for a long time if he is satisfied from your services. Next is potential customer. Potential customers are those customers who are not buying your product, who are not aware about your company product features. When a person enter a department store, generally suppose take your example only, if you are entering in a departmental store and visit a website, has a potential of becoming a customer. It is always possible that these types of customers are simply gathering information. These such type of customers are not aware about your product features, they are entering or they are looking your website to collect the information about your product and doing window shopping. These kind of customers are not in a hurry. They have no urgency. They will take the product. They will take some time. They will collect information. Afterward, they will try to decide which product is better, which product will fulfill the requirement for their personal use. However, a good skilled salesman, knowledge and understanding can work as he can present few positive features or points about the product, so that customer can develop a sense of interest and then can and make a purchase of product. 4. Or sign up for some services. Generally it happens if a salesman plays a good role, he is able to satisfy the feature of particular product to the customer. He is able to tell the product feature, then ultimately customer can create a sense of interest and he can purchase the product of your company because he is not aware about your product features. Perhaps these wandering customers may be big in number to visit store, while at the same time they make up the smallest percentage sale. These such type of customers are very less, but they can increase your company sale also. These are also called the wandering customer. They are moving from one store to another, another to the third store. Third is repeat customer or loyal customer. That are your reliable customer that are believing on your product. The most loyal customer is a repeat customer or one who regularly use company's services and purchase its product. These type of customers are so important for an organization. They are called lifeblood of a business. So they deserve due respect. If take your example, if you are moving to a particular store again and again, you definitely deserve some due respect. Whenever you visit to the store, organization or office for an inquiry, you need some respect from the particular outlet, as they were satisfied with your dealing on the first visit. They return for more services and product. Therefore, as long as you continue to satisfy their need, and he will come to you again and again, he will be called a repeat customer. If any customer is moving to store again and again to buy a different type of product and services, he is known as a repeat customer. It has been established through market research that it can take up to 5 times more work to replace such a loyal customer, as it would be simple continue to service them well enough to know them intact. An organization should always focus on loyal customers. Every business is looking for a loyal customer, for a repeat customer, because they need not to spend more effort to satisfy the customer, and they will try to expand the product range to retain such type of loyal customers. Next is sales and discount customers. Such brand of customers always shop for a best deal on item they want to purchase. They always wait for some sales and discount offers. They are regularly reading the newspapers, advertisements, store circulars, and pay attention to the local dealer. They always conduct price comparison online before going to the store to purchase. The interest of such customers are to purely based on the size of market down in the sales at any given time. It means they are not urgent customers. They will take time. They will spend time on looking the advertisements. They will look the newspaper. They will visit the company website, and whenever company will provide the product at lower price, they will move to the store to take the product. It has become much quite popular in malls, big department stores, and in big bazaar, in the metropolitan cities, as well as in other cities and towns also. It means these type of customers are waiting for sales and discount offers only. And last type of customers are your impulse buying customer. These customers make purchasing decision only upon their whims and their impressive sales presentation by a skilled salesman. These type of customers are not ready to take the product. They will be ready to take the product on the skills of salesman only. It is neither easy to nor difficult to convince such type of customer, but most of time a good presentation, about the product and service can inspire the customer to buy the product or service. Sometimes it happens you are moving with your friend on a particular store. You are not ready to take the product, but after telling the feature of product from the salesman side, from the outlet side, a salesman will create your interest in the product and you will be ready to buy the product. It means you don't need the product, but after motivation of salesman, after guidelines of salesman, after telling the feature of product from a company side or salesman side, you are ready to buy the product. It means you have to take the decision on the spot. That's why these type of customers are also take decision on the spot. For some reasons the product seems good to them at that point of time, for no need based upon. This segment of customer are those to whom the store will always like to serve, and there is nothing more exciting than to exist an impulsive shopkeeper having responded favorable to our sales presentation and recommendation. These such type of customer are fully dependent upon your presentation of your salesman. So today we have discussed about types of customer. First customers was your ready to buy customer, that are also known as urgent customer or need based customer. Second is potential customer who are not urgent customer, who can be your customer in a future time. And third is repeat customer, that are your permanent customer and that are moving store again and again, because they are also called satisfied customer or loyal customer, and they are having some loyalty discount card also. And fourth one is sales and discount customer. This such type of customer will buy the product only when company will offer some sales and discounts on a particular time bound. They are not in hurry to buy the product. They will wait when the market will get down. And next one is fifth one, impulse buying customer. They are not ready to buy a product. They have no need of any product, but after motivation of salesman, they are ready to buy the particular product. So in this session we have covered all different type of customers. This was session second. In next session we will discuss the next session. Thank you. Have a nice day. If you are having any doubt, you can call me on my WhatsApp number, or you can send a message on my WhatsApp number, and my WhatsApp number is 999 111 8890. Thank you. Have a nice day.